Hi everyone, welcome to online class. In the previous class also I have discussed about few poems. From the poems you have to answer theme. You have to write theme on the poems. So I am discussing about the poem. How you will write the theme, and if you understand the poem easily, then you can write the theme on the poem. Today I will discuss about I Have Seen Bengal's Face by Jibanananda Das. Here, praise for nature and beauty of nature is expressed in the poem. So whenever you will read the poem, then obviously you will see about the description of nature of Bengal. Nature gives him a lot of pleasure. Through his praise for natural elements, the speaker expresses his love for nature. Thus, beauty of Bengal and love for Bengal's beauty are expressed. Another thing also you will see, the main theme of the poem is the great patriotic zeal of the poet. The poet expresses the unique and eternal beauty of nature of Bengal. The poet says that the beauty of Bengal is unparalleled. Another one is, he also wanted to express here, motherland is superior to heaven. The beauty of our motherland removes all our pains and sorrows. The love for motherland inspires us to sacrifice for her, to sacrifice our lives for her. For a true patriot, his motherland is the most beautiful country in the world. Thus, love for country is expressed also here. So, whenever you will write theme on this poem, that time obviously you have to express the love of nature, obviously the nature of own countries, especially Bengals, and obviously you will show how much love the poet here. For that, he didn't want to see another thing in this world. So, to him, his motherland is too much superior to heaven. Obviously these things you have to depict, and thus you can get good marks. Okay, thank you everybody.